In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage forms in HubSpot CRM. First, sign into your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Marketing menu and select Forms. This is where you can create new forms and manage any forms you've already built. Next, click Create Form to start a new one. When HubSpot gives you the option, choose the form editor. This is the tool you'll use to build and customize your form. From there, select a template that fits your goal, or choose Start from Blank if you want full control over the setup. After making your selection, click Use Template to open the form builder. Now enter a name for your form. It's a good idea to choose a clear, recognizable name so it's easier to find later, especially if you plan to create multiple forms for different campaigns or pages. Once your form is open, you can add, remove, or rearrange form fields. This lets you collect the information you actually need without making the form feel too long or overwhelming. After that, configure the field settings and mark any fields as required where appropriate. Be thoughtful here, because requiring too many fields can reduce completion rates. Next, customize the form layout and design so it matches the look and feel you want. Then, edit the form submission message. This is the confirmation visitors will see after they submit the form, so make it clear and helpful. If needed, configure form automation and any follow-up actions. This is useful if you want submissions to trigger internal notifications, contact updates, or other next steps inside HubSpot. When everything looks good, click Save. After saving, click Preview to review the form and make sure everything appears correctly. This is a great time to check the flow, spacing, and wording from a visitor's perspective. Then click Review and Update, and publish the form when you're ready to make it live. Once the form is published, copy the form link or embed code. Depending on how you plan to share it, you can use the link directly or place the embed code on your website. After that, return to the Forms dashboard. From here, you can open an existing form anytime to edit or update it. You can also review form submissions and performance to see how the form is working and whether people are engaging with it. If you make any updates later, just save and republish your changes so the latest version is live. Thanks for watching.